welcome back to Day of Life. We are going for fish market. Yeah, we're going to buy some fish. You can see the people are enjoying it. Yeah, they are all my colleagues. Hi, we'll see you there. Yes, guys, we reached again in Bahrain Cinema Market. Right now, you can see the tuna. Actually, we bought a 6.5 kilo for 2 BT, and it's calculated as Indian money 480 rupees only. Yeah, and he's cleaning it right now. Why we bought this fish? Anyone have a guess? Last time our video, you can see I asked the price, but I didn't buy this fish. Why I didn't buy? Because I don't know what I can do with this big fish. But right now I have something special for you. Okay, you can see right now there is some fish. It's called as a avoli in our country. It's completely frozen. It's export from India. Its kilo per kilo is 2.5 BD. Okay, we'll come back our tuna. Why we buy this fish, right? You are excited. Why? Yes, something is there different from. Please watch it. Guys, they cut as big pieces. Yeah, we need to make it smaller. It's better to get deep fry. Yeah, this kind of pieces is fine. And then you have to wash it nicely with better salt. Put a salt before you wash. And we need to keep a 2-3 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. ഇഞ്ചിയും വെളുത്തുള്ളിയൊക്കെ അരച്ചിട്ട് മിക്സിയിൽ അരച്ചൊരു 3 ടീസ്പൂണും കൂടി അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇടുക. റെഡ് ചില്ലി 3 ടീസ്പൂൺ. നമ്മളെ മുളക് പൊടി ഒരു 3 ടീസ്പൂൺ അങ്ങോട്ട് വെതറുക. ഇനിയുടെ ടെർമറിക് പൗഡർ 2 ടീസ്പൂൺ. നമ്മളെ മഞ്ഞപ്പൊടി കുറച്ച് 2 ടീസ്പൂൺ അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇടുക. Finally, we need 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoon ഉപ്പും കൂടി അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇട്ടതിന് ശേഷം we need to mix it well, guys. There is no compromise. That mixing should be perfect. Yeah, നന്നായിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് മിക്സ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കുക. Then we need to keep the rest for 30-40 minutes. These are the ingredients for garlic 200 gram, green chili 100 gram, garlic 200 gram, curry leaf 25 gram, vinegar we need a 250 gram, 50 ml. Yeah? This is a berry powder. It's fenugreek roasted powder. Ulvapodi. പിന്നെ ജിഞ്ചില്ലി ഓയിൽ വേണം. ദാറ്റ്സ് നല്ലെണ്ണ. Then we need a 2 teaspoon of salt and 1 pot. Then we put some gingerly oil and mustard to make a masala. Yeah, then we need to put our curry leaf. നമ്മളെ കറിവേപ്പിലേക്ക് ഇട്ട് നന്നായിട്ട് ഇളക്കി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഇട്ടിക്കുക. ഇത് തന്നെ. We need to mix it well, guys. Then we will garlic. Our garlic, yeah, nammala veluthulli. Then green chilli. Then ginger. We need to mix it well, guys. Again, mixing, no compromise, yeah. Then we need fenugreek powder, roasted powder 2 teaspoon. നമ്മളെ ഉലുവപ്പൊടി 2 teaspoon of berry powder. It's a കായപ്പൊടി. 2 teaspoon. Then mix it again. Then 2 teaspoon of red chili. നമ്മളെ മുളക് പൊടി നിങ്ങൾ ആവശ്യത്തിന് ഇട്ടോ. Okay. If you like more spicy, you can keep it more, guys. It's up to you, guys. Then we need a turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon. മഞ്ഞപ്പൊടി ഇട്ടിട്ട് നന്നായിട്ട് ഇളക്കുക. Again, we need to mix it well, guys. Yes, you are tired with mixing, yeah? If you want, you can put more salt. Up to you guys, your taste and all. Finally, our masala is ready now. We need to put our vinegar around 200 ml only. Just keep it a little bit balanced. Might be required for later on. Then yeah, mix it. Fed up with mixing, I think so. It's really, hopefully it will be very tasty. Now its masala is ready. Now we will going to fry our fish. Again, you put gingerly oil and fried your fish. The thing is, we have only a very small pan, and it's around 2.5 kilo. We have a fish. Maybe 2-3 times we need to fry it. It's okay. It's a trial, yeah. We will try it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Anyway, I'm enjoying it. I like cooking. The thing is, we never try this. That's the main thing. Hopefully it will be wow. Keep it a medium flame, yeah, always, because it's deep fry better. It's almost done in one side. We need to turn it in other side, yeah, to get more fry in other side as well. Guys, any comment regarding in our camera and all? I think it's a fry. It's almost done. We need to take it back. We fried it 4 times, guys. Our fish is ready. Now we need to do our pickle last things. We need to open on again the stove and put our old fish inside the masala and mix it well. Again mixing. Yes, just like that. We are almost done. Keep all, yeah, at least. Then mix it well. Okay, guys, if you want, you can add more oil. Yeah, gingerly oil. Only we are using gingerly oil, and if you want to add more, you can add vinegar also. So finally our tuna fish pickle is ready. If you like the video, like and share and subscribe my channel, and please advise to your friends also. Thank you.